Hi, welcome to ICE Lab. So this is a demo show of ICE Lab clinic management system. So in this, we can see how the clinic system works. So as it is a cloud-based software, you can log in with your username and password. So once you log in, you can find the workspace like this. So all the patient registered will be shown here. Patients, all historical patients, and these are the various options in the software. So this is the main menu button in this, in which you can find whatever the work role you are doing. So as an admin, you can find all. As a laboratory technician, you can find only laboratory technician, or as a pharmacist, you can find only pharmacy and inventory. So now as I have logged in, so if you want to take a new appointment, you just go for new appointment option. So click on the appointment, select the doctor for which doctor you want to take an appointment. Select the day here. So the date is already there. You can select the timing here, 11 a.m. So put the patient name or whoever taking the appointment. Karthik. So reason for consultation and confirm the date and timings, book appointment. So next part is this is the OP appointments today, registered today. So here all the doctors are, you can see, find all the doctors here. So you can select the doctor from here and you can find the details, or else now you can come to workspace. Once the patient visited to your clinic, so you have to register the patient. So for that again, you can go to appointments. In appointments, all the patients you can see who have taken appointment. So now this patient, the time is around 10. The patient is already arrived and registered. So if unregistered patient, you can see like this. You can register the patient here, clicking on register. The registration page will open. So just if it is a new patient, you have to click on new patient. If it is already existing patient, you can find the list here. So go to new patient. So you can add the mobile number, you can add the initial, so you can add the age, you can add the email, you can add all these details, whatever you want. So registration type is OP, select referred if you want to choose, or a consulting doctor who is going to consult. So reference center source and everything is there. So you can select the department, confirm. Now the appointment registration is confirmed. So once the registration is confirmed, this page will open. Here you can find all the bills of the patient, all lab test reports of the patient, all doctor prescriptions. You can generate medical certificate, you generate even reference letter also. So if you want to add BMI and vital signs, you can click here. Once you click on BMI, the BMI page will open. So you can add BMI like height and weight. So I'm confirming it. So once you confirm it, then you can take a RX pad printout. If doctor is giving a RX pad printout, means you can click on this. So you can take the printout of RX pad. You can find here now how it will come. Like this, it will come. So this according to the print setting, header will be there. This patient details and doctor details. So next, if you want to make a bill for consultation charges, no, go to new bill. Say add consultation charges. So consultation fee, it is 200 rupees added. So collect the amount if you are collecting full amount. So confirm. So discount, you can change the payment type, everything, every option is there. So bill is successfully added. Now if you go to workspace, so Gangadhar, patient is registered and payment status is done, 200 paid. Patient status is arrived. If you want, doctor started consulting, means you can change it as in room. Now if you go to workspace, you can find that the patient status is changed. Now the patient is inside the room. So like this, you can change it anytime. So I will take demo doctor because the setting is proper. So here also patient is inside the room. So RX pad is generated. If now I am going to doctor login. So let's see what a doctor can do. So now I'm in doctor's login. Patient is came and patient is inside the room. So consultation charge is collected. Doctor is willing to give not an prescription in not an RX pad. If doctor is interested to give a digital prescription, he can go for prescribe button. So here remarks, for every option you can add the templates. Remarks, doctor can directly type something like this. Or history, there are templates created, so you can add the templates. Diagnosis, there are templates. So investigation, whatever lab investigations doing in your lab will be connected here. Medication, it will be connected to your pharmacy. So Astalin, so the dosage system, everything. So examination, whatever the examinations are there, that also can be added. So appointments for next visit, doctor can select the date, doctor can himself select the time and done. So now the prescription is ready, doctor can prescribe this. So once the prescription is ready, we can take a printout of this. So either you can take the printout in A4 or A5, whichever you want. So that the prescription will be very clear. A patient can easily read this and he can understand. So this is the work what can we do in doctor login. If now you come to workspace, if you open the patient details, promote has been prescription, everything done. So he can find the prescription here. So date, if you click on this date, you can find the prescription in detail. It will open. So you can find the prescription. Advantage of this feature is in future, whenever the patient comes back to you, whatever the treatment given to him will be stored in your system. This is the major advantage. If you next go to workspace, and the patient is suggested for a DC test. So now again you can do a new bill here. For the patient we need to make a new DC test. So if you select the DC, so now DC test is added. So payment, we are collecting 100 rupees and confirming it. Now if I go to laboratory, now if I go to laboratory here, so laboratory technician can find there is an order for promote saying a DC test to be conducted. So technician will open this, technician will collect the sample and she will make the test. And now I am now collecting the sample. So collect, receive, accept. The sample is collected. Later on she will enter the results here. So enter result. I'm entering the result now, 65, 23, 7, 4, 1. Save it. The result has been saved. So dispatch. Dispatch the report. So if you come to workspace again, so details. Now you can find the lab test report here. If you want from reception, you can take the printout. Or if the doctor is coming to his OP list, selecting the patient, he can also find the lab test in this system. Say DC test bill added, so DC test report is printed. If you doctor click on this date, he can view the report. So this is the major advantage. You can have all the details in your desktop. Whenever if you want, you can change. This is the different status of the lab orders. You can find all the reports here, and as well as you can find all the bills here. For everything you can search it by patient name or patient mobile number or lab number or like that. So bills, statistics, in this statistics and the settings, these two parts are according to this menu button. So if you select for front desk, it will be work for front desk only. So if you select for laboratory, it will work for laboratory only. Like that, this is designed. So all the tests can be configured, all the medications, all the systems, other things, everything can be modified or customized according to the